any numbers, names, abbreviations, reasons, etc. like this. And then just try to discuss the questions and the given options with the rest of the class. Who will do this? Nobody. I expected at least one voluntarily. Nobody is ready. Kashish, can't you do that?
So the explanation part, I doubt. Like, I cannot
Explanation.
explain as well as
No.
you.
What I mean to say is, here explanation means you don't have to explain that, all that. What I mean to say is, yeah, you just go through the passage and underline, do the underlining or highlighting. I'll let you know. It's a very simple thing if you do not know. And then going through the questions, trying to find out the answers by discussing them with the rest of the class. That's it. Do you want me to discuss? Or, every time I'm doing it, this time you can do it anyhow. If you take the initiative, as you know, initiators will be best remembered. Now I remember Shruti Patania's name from Amartya. Manan, Kashish, or anybody who is using a laptop can grab this opportunity.
Sir, I can try.
Excellent. Go ahead, Manan. Just send me hi
Not
through
today,
WhatsApp.
sir.
Yeah, of course. Everybody will be given a chance. Even if you want it, I may not give you a chance next time. Seriously, don't think that, okay, sir is exaggerating the things. No, not like that. Because we need to give equal importance to everybody, right? That is why. And do not feel worried about, taking more and more chances. You have to wait for that, and you have to be very hungry as far as the chances are concerned, Manan. Okay, fine. Now send me hi through WhatsApp. Hopefully you might be having my number. I'll send this file to you. Then you can just get it downloaded and present it. Okay? Manan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just send me hi through WhatsApp so that I can share this file with you. Don't worry, Kashish. Just observe, no issues. I just thought that you'd take it up potentially, but I don't have any
I wanted
bad
to actually,
impression
sir.
or something like that. Pardon?
I'm sorry. I actually wanted to take it up, but yoga therapy and all, I think that it's not something
That will not suit to us, to our character or to our mind.
Actually.
No, I'm just kidding, please. No, just be subjective. Sorry, just be objective while doing any comprehension passages. It's not that we should apply that to us and speak. No, never do like that, because all the comprehension passages must be dealt with from the objectivity point of view. That means if the paragraph in the passage says that Mahatma Gandhi ji is a murderer. Now I'm just giving you an example. Don't get hurt. And for your kind information, I am a very great admirer of the father of the nation. No, I'm just letting you know the things. If it is given as the murderer, then you need to consider him as murderer only. There is no part of your personal emotions, opinions, anything as such. So there is nothing to relate here. Please have that clarity, Kashish, and the rest of the class.
I would go with the next paragraph whenever.
That's okay. That's okay. No issues. Then we will do one thing. Kashish, you just send me hi. And one more girl expressed her...
Paridhi.
Yeah, Paridhi.
Yes, sir.
So send me hi. I'll share this file with 3 of you. You can discuss each paragraph.
Okay.
Now, Manan, we have more hands. Go ahead. Manan, have you left the message?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, not necessarily the first one. Yeah, just a moment. I think I need to check. Yeah, I got the message, man. Let me just share that file with you. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I got the message from Paridhi and Kashish as well. Here you are. Manan, you start it off. In the meantime, I'll share the file with Paridhi and Kashish as well. Okay. Now I can start presenting it. You can start, so that you can start presenting the screen. Go to the third passage, please. Third passage.
Okay, so
Okay.
just a minute.
Yeah, just a moment. Third passage. Let me stop presenting it. Okay. Now you can just go ahead. In the meantime, I'll share the file with the rest of the two guys. Yeah. See, this is gonna be edited, guys. A different file will be shared with you. Okay. Wherein you can see many more varieties also. Okay. Now, I hope Paridhi also received it. Have you received it, Paridhi?
Yes.
Fine. Thank you.
So I have to
Kashish,
share the
it's your
screen
turn.
now.
Yeah, share the screen and highlight whichever you think is important in the first paragraph. Second paragraph will be taken care of by Paridhi and the third one by Kashish. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
There you are. You have started presenting it. Do you know how to highlight or underline something which you think is important? Yeah, that's great. That's the choice. Yeah, something like that. Now, fine. So just go to the third passage, please. Now, as and when you go through the passage, are you comfortable with conservative approach? Or would you like to prefer bottom-up approach?
So anything.
Yeah, better you go ahead with conservative only, with which you are comfortable. Right, go ahead. The third passage, please. I think it's a different one. Just scroll it up a bit. You can see. Just go ahead, go ahead. Just go ahead, go ahead. Of course. Yeah. Faster. Anything, I think you need to go faster. Just go. Yeah, faster. Yeah, there you are. Wait. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, there you are. Fine. So just take care of the first paragraph. As and when you just go ahead, you just try to underline something which you think is important or essential. Go ahead, please. Good morning, Nandana and Priyal Bhatt. You are late by almost 10 minutes. Please be on time. See, you might not understand what's really now going on. Yes, Manan, you can start, please. Just start reading it out. You have not unmuted your mic. Just read it out and mute. Just go ahead. Yeah.
So I am comfortable like this only.
Okay, fine. No ahead. No issues. Go ahead. Then finish the job of the first paragraph. By the way, do you know the meaning of undue? The third word in the passage from the beginning? No, I'm just asking. If you know it, then okay. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you know it, then okay. No, I have given you the full rights, If you know the meaning of it, then leave it out. No issues. But as and when you come across any unfamiliar words, then just take care of that. By the way, Paridhi, whatever Manan is underlining, should be underlined by you so that we can have all the highlight at one slide. I mean, sorry, at one place. When we want to, look for the answers of the questions, I can't really ask you to present and him to present, or, do you get my point? Paridhi, are you there?
Yes, sir. But Manan,
Yeah.
if you could just scroll up
Now,
for a minute.
you just leave it out. Manan, just leave it out. You are done with the first paragraph. Now, you please stop presenting it. Wait a moment. Let Paridhi take a note of whatever that has been underlined by you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the meantime, Kashish, you should also do the same so that we can have all the highlights of the three members in one single place.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just give me a moment for Paridhi to just take care of that one. Paridhi, are you done with that?
No, sir. Just 1 second.
Yeah. Let her do, please.
Yes, I'm done.
Yeah, go ahead then. Then you can now stop presenting. Paridhi, go ahead.
So can I present them?
Yep. Go ahead. Excuse me.
Yes. Sir. Yeah. So is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So, may I say one thing?
Yes, Divya. Who is that?
Kashish.
Yeah, Kashish, go ahead.
Sir, actually, in my laptop, I could not highlight the text. So, may I do a thing that I would tell Paridhi what to highlight and she can highlight it here?
Why not? That's a good thing.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
would be easy. Paridhi,
Fine.
if you could do that, please.
Yeah, sure. Just tell me.
In the third paragraph, underline the continued practice of yoga has a profound effect on the inner dimensions of life.
Okay.
Aims at developing the mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional facilities.
Okay.
Then come down. Aerobics assure only physical well-being. They have little to do with the development of the soul and mind. That would be it in the third paragraph.
Right. Now, Paridhi, can you just take up the initiative of the discussion? Okay, I'll do one thing.
Yes.
As the first 3 or 4 questions have already been done, let me just discuss them by myself, and then rest of the 6 questions, 2 by Manan, 2 by you, and 2 by Paridhi can discuss. Okay.
Yes.
And if at all somebody else is also interested, they can also join hands, please. Okay, it's not about only the 3. Now, just you can just zoom in a bit.
Yes.
Are you not able to just come out of that mode, or?
No, so I zoomed in.
Yeah. Okay, done, right? Now see, what do most of the medicines treat? Now please go up. We have actually 4 choices there. One moment. So symptoms of the disease, soul, meditation, postures. So most medicines treat what? Soul or meditation, postures, or symptoms of the disease. I think we have the answer in the first paragraph.
In the
itself.
first paragraph.
Yeah. Just go to the first paragraph. We have a straight answer over there. So the second one, highlighted by Manan, has helped me to reach that answer. Congrats to you. You found something very important, and that's been highlighted. So, yeah, medicines treat only the symptoms of the disease. So most medicines treat only the symptoms of the disease. That's it. They can't do anything with the soul, body, etc. Yeah, next question. Please highlight the answer, symptoms of the disease. Yep, next one. Then, what does the phrase chronic ailment refer to? Now, please just go back to first paragraph or second paragraph. Where could we see this?
Oh,
Yeah, first. The third line, please. Even though it was not underlined, because Manan might be knowing the meaning of it. Generally, it is the area. See, when you want to know the meaning, find the meaning of a particular word or expression, please find that particular expression or word back in the passage, number one. Number two, whatever that is before that one and after that one will be of great help to you to understand what it means exactly. So that's what we do. A large number of medicines treat only the symptoms of the disease, not the root cause. In fact, the cause of many chronic ailments is still being researched. As he's talking about the diseases only, the treatment of symptoms of the disease, and it might be something like that only. In fact, the reason of many chronic diseases is still being researched. I feel that it is something like disease, not the problem or something else. Just come back to the options. We'll see what the options are. Chronic person, na. Chronic yoga, na.
Diseases.
Chronic medicines, not a better fit. So a disease that are recurrent and last long. So you can just highlight that answer. Next one, please. How is yoga different from the other forms of treatment? So we have 4 options over there. It is simple. It is interesting. We love yoga. Yoga emphasizes treatments of the root cause of an ailment. C. How is yoga different from the other forms of treatment? One moment. So how is
Sir, I think it is
yoga
quite
dif-
obvious here.
Yeah, quite obvious.
The
So
last option.
the point is, now my point is, as and when you read out any question, please ensure that you have understood that completely and clearly. If you're not able to understand with the given structure of the question, you better try to break that and make it your own to understand the meaning of it, which will be of great help sometimes. So that's what I want you to take a note of, not the answer. Please understand that one. So how is yoga different from the other forms of treatment? That means, how is yoga treatment or yoga different from the other forms of treatment? So we need to find the speciality from which we can differentiate yoga from the other. Is it that it is simple? Is it that it is interesting? Is it that the fact we love it? Is it that the fact that it emphasizes the treatment of the root cause of an ailment? Of course, the evidence is there back in the passage. It's straight. Can you just go back to that one? Where is it exactly? Yeah, it's been highlighted. The third line from above, last. So yoga treatment emphasizes the root cause of an ailment. So that's how it is different. While the other most forms of medicines and the other forms of treatments are based on only medicines, while the other modes of treatment talks about the symptoms of the diseases in reducing it, this aims at the root cause of it. Yeah, go back to it and select that option. And the next one is the meaning of assistance. I hope you guys are able to follow me so far. And I think we are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Now the meaning of assistance is we have help, problem, treatment. Now come back. Just go back to the passage. It's okay. It may happen sometimes. You better just highlight only instead of putting a tick mark. That will be an easier choice. Sorry, it's okay. See, where is it? Yeah, third line. In fact, the cause of many chronic ailments is still being researched. It's here that yoga therapy comes to our assistance. So as per the previous discussion, we were sure that the chances for help and treatment are the possible ones. Now, generally, okay, if you take this case or situation comes to our assistance or comes to our help, or the popular phrases, they go hand in hand. I think we can even apply the same thing here as well. In fact, to check that one, let me read it out and understand that. So while you're doing this one, this is a tip or technique that can help you out. You need to just look at a bit front and afterwards also. So, in fact, the cause of many chronic ailments is, that means many diseases, the reason for many diseases is still being researched. And it is at this place, yoga therapy comes to our help, to help us. So we can just get convinced with that one. Go ahead with help. Problem is not a right choice. Cure will not be a better choice. Treatment can be possible, but help looks better. So we will go ahead with help. Now the next question onwards, you can take charge, please. Who wants to take a charge? Aditi, would you like to take a charge?
Yes,
For
sir.
for the next two questions, go ahead.
What does the yogic way of life include? Ethics, discipline, prayer, and meditation, or all of the above? The answer should be all of the above, and it's in paragraph 2. Yes, it's in paragraph 2. The yogic way of life includes this first line: code of ethics, regulations, discipline, combined with prayer and meditation. So the answer here should be all of the above.
Yeah. Paridhi, a small tip to you. Well, you've done that nicely. Now, before we proceed, some, like when I was teaching this one, some students, for that matter, even you also, sometimes might have been lagging sometimes, right? You were not able to keep the pace with me. I will be just reading it out and scrolling the screen, all that, right? But sometimes you in the sense, not only Paridhi, everybody must have felt this at least once, that they might have lagged somewhere and could not keep the pace. Parallelism could not be there. And at that moment, just give a bit of time in between so that they can understand what's really going on or where they are exactly. And one more thing, after just noticing or deciding something that it is the answer, ask for the confirmation from the others as well. That helps us to better judge the chosen option. If at all there is somebody who has a different perspective and different answer, let's see how far they are also true. So this is how we can discuss. Is it clear, Paridhi?
Sorry, sir. Yes.
No. Never say sorry. This is the very first time, and I must appreciate for your efforts and initiation. Yeah, let's go ahead. That's a great thing, Paridhi. Go ahead. Yep. Next question, please.
How do simple asana help? The options are stretch, relax, give tension, or all of the above.
Well, please just change that one. Give tensions into release tensions, actually. And that was a mistake. Okay, leave it out. Just understand that release tensions, relaxation, stretching. We have 3. Now, please just go. I think we have some evidence somewhere.
Paragraph, third line.
Yeah,
Second
Mohit,
paragraph,
thank you.
third.
Thanks for helping Paridhi and the class as well, Mohit. Yeah, so yeah, it's clear and straight. Stretching and relaxing the whole body and releasing the tensions also. So, what is the option? Like that you need to.
It's
All
all
of the above.
Yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Bhavya Patel also, who responded. Now, Haridhi, you can just select that option and give the charge to either
May I?
Manan or Kashish.
So may I?
Yeah, if you are ready, then go ahead.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah.
I should continue sharing.
Yeah, please
Okay,
do that, no?
Yeah. She should continue sharing. Actually, you go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. How does sincere practice of yoga benefits us? So does it helps our mind or helps our body or helps develop concentration? And the fourth option is all of the above.
Very
So the evidence for this question should be found in the second paragraph. It's even highlighted by Paridhi. If we could go back, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
See, it's here. It's the sincere practice of yoga postures is beneficial for your mind and body. And if we go back to the question,
Yeah, you just give the reference of the number of the line so that the other guys will also.
the
fix
last
their-
line of the second paragraph.
Like that. So thank you. Yeah.
And if we go back to the question now, the answer should be all of the above. Option D. If we could highlight that, please.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. For the 8th question, I do not
One
need to
moment.
ask.
Any other perceptions from anybody else or convinced?
So
Else mine-
I can answer the 8th question.
One moment. Yeah, surely, the chance will be given. But do you guys have any controversies over there or convinced? Beneficial for mind and body. Sorry, mind and soul there. See, their soul includes concentration as well. So I think it's a better fit over there, even though that particular word was not
It's not
mentioned over
given.
there.
Yeah.
Was not mentioned there. If you can just go back to that particular area once, we can see that there is no such word called concentration over there. Even then, it's implied over there, beneficial for the mind and body. That the mind includes concentration as well.
Yes.
So, yeah, on that basis, we can choose that one. Yep. Yes, go ahead, please. Thank you. And I think I should go mute, and I'll do that.
In the 8th question, actually, I would not refer to any paragraph because opposite of beneficial. Now, again, it's a very obvious question. Help, that is synonymous to beneficial. Again, caring, it's synonymous to beneficial. Then none of the above could not be an answer. The only option left with us is harmful. But
That's a great approach. I have one more approach if you ask me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but that's a great approach. We should agree to it, in fact. Nice analysis as well. But as and when we guys come across any questions like these, either to find out the similar meaning words or to find out the opposite meaning words, make sure that we should go back to the passage where we see these words or expressions and to have the cross check and to get it confirmed. Okay, so it's of course obvious here, but it will not be the case every time. So just
But
can,
yeah, that's completely true that we should go back to the passage. But there
where
are
can
some
we see the
questions
word?
like methods of elimination are quite useful and
Ah.
obvious.
That's great for highlighting the other tip, and that's called elimination. So as we just could understand that these might not be the right options, we crossed them out and arrived at the right option. Yeah, you nicely practiced and implemented the elimination technique. Fine. See, when you are asked to, yeah, we are done with that one, but this is a general point, please. When we are asked to find out the meaning of a particular word, then you can straight away substitute that with the explanations or the meanings given. But if you are asked to find the opposite of it, then you just add not to the meaning given over there and then replace it. I mean, in simple terms, where is that word? Beneficial. It's highlighted, right? Yeah. So yoga is what is given. Opposite to it is helpful. That means not helpful means beneficial. Sorry, not helpful is actually it must be the synonymous one. Not helpful is beneficial. Not caring is beneficial. Not harmful is beneficial.
Yes, sir.
That's how you can just identify. Not harmful is beneficial. Like if somebody asks me how I am, if you ask me how are you, I say I'm happy or I'm fine. I can even say, I'm not unhappy, which means I'm happy only. I'm not bad, which means I'm good. I'm not, something like this. Their double negative will become positive like this. Not harmful means useful or beneficial, advantageous only. So that's correct. In that way, you can check the opposites. Did you get that point, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Now, is it there that Manan? I think he has left for some reason.
No,
Manan,
sir, I'm back.
have you joined back? Yes. Can you just take the charge? You can even just take the charge by just with the help of Haridhi only.
Yes, sir. 1
Yeah.
minute.
Yeah, sure. Don't worry, we still have ample of time. We still have about 15 minutes, but we have only 2 questions. We're not going to discuss any other passages in this class. We'll discuss one literary passage tomorrow, and we'll wrap up reading comprehension. And you'll be given the notebook work to do. Right?
So, which questions are left?
Ninth one, and 10th one.
Okay, sir. So, the answer to 9th must be option A.
Option A. Actually, there are 2 things here, Manan. Number 1, are we doing it all alone or are we doing it for the class? Here in this case, we are doing it for the class. So, like the previous girls, and of course, we were discussing, you just read out the question, try to make the class understand the meaning of it, and look for the possibility of possible area for the answer, and then just have a cross check with the options, then arrive at the right option. This is the job. Is it any clearer, Man? Sorry, Manan?
It's clear.
Right, Manan. Yeah, go ahead. Now, read out the question and go ahead.
Is yoga therapy helpful to us?
Well, you can ask her to go back to the passage if you wish, like Kashish has instructed her. She is helping us.
Actually, sir, I just opened the PDF in my laptop, so
No need to open your PDF.
yes, sir.
Because there will be a confusion.
Faridhi, can you please scroll
Yeah,
up?
sure.
Yeah.
Screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible. So, like in paragraph 1 and in paragraph 3, it's highlighted that um, yoga emphasizes the treatment of the root cause of the ailment, and
It's a very beautiful point. Yeah. So that point, and then
sir, in paragraph 3, it's highlighted that yoga has a profound effect on the inner dimensions of life, and it aims at the developing the mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional
yes.
abilities. So these points, Priti, can you please scroll down? These points, with the help of these points, we can say that yoga is helpful to us.
Is it for surely or partially? Yeah, it's very clear that not at all is a wrong option because it is helpful. But you need to just make a choice between the two, surely or partially. Which one you think is a better option?
So I think partially, because it works in slow. It's a slow process. So
wow. Superb. Manan, 200 marks out of 100, man. I'm not exaggerating. You got the point. Very nice. See, guys, we are able to sense that yoga is helpful. Definitely. But is it surely helpful or partially helpful? In fact, Manan picked up the right choice. It is partially helpful. Now, let's listen to him, how he guides us to convince to that option. Yes, Manan, go ahead.
Pariti, can you please scroll up to the paragraph 1?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, as in paragraph 1, it's highlighted that it works in a slow, subtle and miraculous manner, and in other paragraphs, like in paragraph 3, it's written that it is helpful in it has a profound effect in our life, and it aims at developing the mental, physical, and spiritual facilities. So we can say that it is helpful, but as it is a slow process, it's partially helpful in our life.
There is one more point that really creates clarity, that gives full clarity. Where is it? One more is also there, so that we will be fully convinced. Fully. Where is it? Towards the end of the first paragraph.
Sir, modern medicine can claim.
Exactly. That's the point. Modern medicine can claim to save a life at a critical stage, which means yoga therapy is not helpful at that time. If you want to pick and choose, surely it is helpful. It must be helpful in every case. But here, it is not helpful in the critical stage. Then it is partially helpful. Of course, we are able to get, nourishment mentally, physically, all that okay. But there are cases, there are instances where yoga therapy will not work out. Like, if there is an accident case, critical case means, critical stage means, let's say that somebody has met with an accident and, his legs and, hands were broken. And you're not supposed to ask him to, yes, now do Vajrasana, now do Chakrasana, and then finally becomes Savasana. At that moment, it is not the time to experiment, right? So it is the place where it does not work out. So it is partially helpful. Is it clearer to everybody? Manan, Paridi,
Yes, sir.
Bhavya,
Yes, sir.
everybody. Yes. So that's how we can do it. Kudos, Manan. Very nice job. Next one, last one.
Other forms of physical exercises have little to do with the development of. Okay. Paridi, can you please scroll up?
Just focus on the options also first.
Yes,
Because
sir.
by this time, the other guys must not have seen that one. So please keep them also in mind.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are all some skills which you need to develop. You in the sense everybody, please. Yeah.
Options, we have like body, concentration, soul and mind, and emotions. Okay.
Is my
Yep.
screen visible?
Yeah. It is visible. I think he has requested you to scroll it up a bit so that we can go back to the passage. Yeah.
Yes. I'm sorry, the net went off.
No problem. You guys are super active. No issue.
In paragraph 3, it's highlighted that other forms of physical exercises like aerobics assure only physical well-being. They have little to do with the development of the soul and mind. So, in the last lines is the answer to the question that other forms of physical exercises helps in our physical development well-being, but they do not means they have a little they have little to do with the development of soul and mind. So the options, Paridi, can you please scroll down?
Yeah.
So we can see that in options, the option C, we have the answer in option C.
Yeah. So the other forms of physical exercises like aerobics can do something with the physical well-being like body. But here they can't do anything with, of course, soul and mind. It's clearly given. They have little to do with the soul and mind. So it's a straight answer. Now you may ask me, sir, what about concentration and emotions? They are also not done by anything, by any physical exercises. Yeah, you may be right. But when we don't have such an option that we can even include them, like for example, let's say concentration, soul and mind, emotions, and the next option, all the above, then you can go ahead with that one only. But as there is a body separately, so we can't really go ahead with that one. Okay? Because it is a straight answer given over there, so we need to stick to soul and mind as well. So like this, you try to sometimes assess the probable and possible difficulties being faced by the other guys also, so that you can shape up your explanation accordingly. Okay? Is this clear? Okay,
Yes,
are you
sir.
guys convinced, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, just give me a moment. Yes, please. So, thank you so much, three of you, for taking an active part, and the other guys who helped them in just making them feel eased in executing the work. But I expected that the rest of the students will also take an active part, but very limited students took an active part. Gurnur, what happened? Today you did not take an active part. Gurnur Kalra.
Yes, sir.
What happened, madam? I expected.
So actually, I have joined the class today. I was absent in the past 2 days on like Friday and Saturday.
What? In fact, wherever you left the session is resumed today. Luckily.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because it was actually left in the middle. So we just we thought of, finishing it off at least by devoting one single class, that is today. And we are left with only one variety, that is literary passages that we discuss tomorrow. I could have taken that. I just expected that. Devansh, Divya, and of course, Kailash, Mohit responded very well. Mustan sir also, and Nandana madam. Good morning, Nandana madam. What happened? You're not taking an active part. And then Priyal Bhatt, what happened to you? Rhythm, Ritika, by the way. Oh, Chota wala girl, Ritika Singh. What happened? Now, sometimes I take a bit of liberty as well. Don't feel otherwise. You're all like my, people. Ritika, can you hear us? I expected at least to one question. What happened today? Don't worry. I have plenty of classes for you and the rest of the students as well.
Yes, sir. I'll take from next time.
Sure. This is what we want. Priyal Bhatt,
Yes,
what about you? Priyal Bhatt. Are you there, Priyal? Nandana madam, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Naman Kankaria. So please just take an active part. It really matters in internal assessment. Okay. So fine, guys. I think the time is about to expire as well. Let me take the attendance.
Sir, can I stop sharing?
Yeah, you please just do that. And I think it is really encouraging, motivating if you thank the three guys who executed that class. This class. And then you can leave the session. The attendance seems to be ready. Yeah, it's ready. You can thank them and leave the session and enjoy the rest of the day with the forthcoming rain. Okay. Thank you, three of you. Congratulations. for taking the initiative.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Thank you,
actually,
sir.
I wanted to ask something. Like in
One moment,
English class.
Kashish. Let you be thanked and let the other two be thanked. Then we will just get back to that. So, is it something of common import? Common?
No, it's not about.
Then just stay back, please. Just a moment. Yes, you can thank them and leave. Enjoy your day. For you, if you are wakeful. I mean, if you feel that's great. You can even just leave a message like that so that it will be nice to see.
Thank you.
Yeah. We should. It's not about protocol. It's not about, anything courtesy. It's, of course, a responsibility for everything. Thank you. Right. Okay. Gurnur, Devansh, you also can leave. Yes, Kashish, now you can come up. Thank you, Bhavya.
Sir,
Yes.
I was asking you, like, if we are comfortable enough with our syllabus and grammar and all those stuff, we can even have some debates or group discussions. Like, I and Paridhi, we really love some debates and discussions. So we plan to ask you that since it's the English class, something developing about talking and all, it would be really great.
That's great. Actually, it is a common concern. You could have just said that, when everybody was here. Actually,
I wanted to ask you
understand that-
first, sir, like maybe.
Yeah, in fact, English is power-packed class. Is a power-packed class, and you can see everything in time to come. We are just in the beginning, just literally in the beginning, and the way we are going to have, and believe me, I'm going to even assign some of the lessons to discuss all by yourself. I'll be just.
That would be great, actually. Like
Yeah.
we love discussing and explaining.
And I have a vision over there. Like I'll choose trio. Trio means 3 students together who are comfortable with each other, with one another. Okay. Now, number one guy will be just going through the original content of it. Next guy will be focusing on the more difficult expressions, commonly difficult expressions and areas. And the other guy will be taking care of the explanation of that particular original part of the lesson. That's how we go about. And that's known as flipped classroom. Therein, the learners will come to know the contents of the discussing chapter first, instead of the teacher. So that's called flipped classroom, which we are going to implement soon. Don't worry, it's totally power-packed. In time to come, you can see a lot of things. Okay?
We had
And I
this,
appreciate for being, for coming forward. Yes, Manan, I'm expecting a great role from you as well. Naman, Mohit as well. Mohit is also nice.
Sure, sir.
Seems to be nice. Mohit. No, never say, Manan, that, sir, only today. No. You have the stuff, you have the metal, you have the caliber that you can just do much more than what you think. Manan? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Mohit, what about you? Will you?
Yes, sir.
Will you also just take an active part in discussions and all?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Naman, you too. Now you may just leave the class, please, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.